Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we've got a microwave mug recipe and a great one for the autumn weather we have. This is something like an apple pie with hazelnuts too, so stay tuned to see what you need and how it's made. The recipe will also be in the description box. For the microwave apple pie you will need half an apple, I already diced mine, 1 squirt of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of hazelnuts, I have these smaller bits, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, an egg, and a bit of cinnamon. You'll also need a big mug, of course a fork, and a microwave, and I will begin with my egg. Mix it well with my sugar. I'll add the butter. And then mix well again. Add the baking powder to the flour first, and now we're gonna add it all together. We're almost done, just a little lemon juice, the hazelnuts, the apples, and of course a bit of cinnamon. So we need 800 watts, about 90 seconds. Our pie is ready, and as pie is, I recommend it eating warm. I'll add a bit of powdered sugar, but what also works is vanilla ice cream or sour whipped cream. I hope you liked this recipe and this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. You can also follow our channel for new videos, then you'll get the notifications. You can also share with friends. Thank you for watching DIY Ideas. Have a great day and see you next time.